Hi there. If you're watching this video, you've more than likely been in touch with our team and are interested in getting a roof replaced with Elite RV Roof and Collision. We're always happy to help our customers by coming to your location to give you a free on-site roof inspection. But sometimes there are factors that limit us from being able to do so. Whether it's distance or logistics, I'm here to help you by showing you what to look for while doing a roof inspection and get exactly what we need to collect from you to get your claim approved through insurance. Alright, so I've got to tell you something very important, and I want to make sure you understand this before we do it. To get your insurance approval for a new roof, we need to make sure the damage falls within a certain category. Your claim needs to be from sudden or unexpected damage. If you think about it, that could be anything from a tree scrape to hail damage, or an awning being caught by the wind and scraping your roof, hitting an overpass, or even something just falling on your roof. But keep in mind, if you have comprehensive insurance coverage, you do not need to know what happened. You simply have had to experience damage and noticed it within the last 2 years. Keep in mind, insurance will simply not pay for lack of maintenance. This means if you have damage currently and water seeping into your roof as we speak, you may be out of pocket for the resulting damage, as insurance companies do not cover things that result from the damage if you've had the opportunity to catch it and haven't taken action. Last important note here, and this one's huge. Contact us before filing a claim. We deal with insurance companies all day long, and we know what is and isn't claimable. Don't waste time and energy on filing a claim for something that may not be approved by insurance. Talk to our team and we'll consult with you, and we promise we'll point you in the right direction and let you know whether it's worth making a claim or not for the damage that you discovered. Not all insurance companies are created equal either, so we know whether or not a certain insurance company will approve or deny your claim, and we'll give you good insight before ever speaking with your insurance company. In addition to that, we'll file your claim for you if you'd like us to, so we save you even more time and hassle. In order to move forward, we need these particular photos. We need 4 corner photos, a VIN tag photo, a model number photo, and I'm going to show you how to get all those right now. The model number is always going to be on the passenger side next to the entry door. And in cases where it's not, it's typically located on the VIN tag. The VIN tag on fifth wheels is typically located on the driver's side of the vehicle. Same goes for travel trailers. Safety first. Always make sure your roof is dry and keep an eye out for tree branches and for power lines or other obstacles that may sneak up on you while you're on your roof. And if you're using a ladder that isn't attached to your unit, make sure you have somebody holding it while you get on and off your roof. Also, always make sure somebody's on the ground. In case of an emergency situation, somebody's there to help you. Alright, now that you're on your roof, before you begin inspection, take 2 more photos. One from the rear facing forward and one from the front facing backwards. This allows us to see the full scope of the roof and write proper estimates. Now let's begin our search for any potential issues. If you immediately notice anything out of the ordinary, such as torn rubber, missing components, broken skylights, damaged AC fins, these are indicators that you may need a new roof. Get photos of damage up close and far away and send them to us. Include the previous 8 photos mentioned with the close-up and far-away photos of the damage. It will assess and get back to you immediately. The clear indication of damage to your roof are globs of sealant that are typically covering tears in your roof. Make sure you remove any rainless spots of sealant to expose any existing tears. There may also be a Turnabond or patch tape on your roof. Remove this to the best of your ability to expose the tear. When taking photos, make sure to get close-up and far-away photos to ensure that we get the full scope of the damaged area. Hail damage is very common with RVs, and it presents itself as white pock marks on your roof. But it also appears as dings in your AC roof coils, white marks on your roof vent covers, holes or cracks in appliances, and very often dents in your metal roll caps, if you have them. Your roll caps, or also known as roof radius caps, are the round metal transition pieces that run alongside the roof edge and down the side of the unit. If there's any damage to these caps, hail damage, or even a single point of impact damage, your roof needs to be replaced. Snap as many photos as you can and send them along with the photos mentioned previously. This one's pretty obvious. If you see any tears on your roof, any shape or size, send them to us and we'll review them. No matter how small, a tear is a tear and it allows water intrusion. Make sure you go all the way down the edge of your roof, as there are always tears on the edge of our customers' roofs. If there's a tear on the edge of your roof, it is always required to replace your roof. This diminishes the cosmetic appeal and the value of your RV, and insurance knows this. It's very common to find tears near or under ACs. Very commonly, a tree branch will snag an AC and it will become wedged between the roof and the AC itself. If that's the case, you will typically find tears around the AC unit. Remember, you have 2 years in Texas to claim for damage, so let us know if you find any damage during your inspection. And we'll make it our first priority to make sure that any damage is handled with your best interest in mind. When it comes time to replace your roof, make sure you check out our specialty, the Apex Armor's lifetime warranty spray on roof, which protects against hail, tree scrapes, and UV rays. The Titan roof also increases heat rejection, eliminates the need for roof maintenance, as well as completely eliminated the need for any sealant on your roof. The best part is, insurance will cover the cost of the roof replacement, so all you're out is a small upgrade fee and your deductible. Let my team take care of all your RV roof and collision needs. We take care of every step of the process so you don't have to stress about the details. We take care of pickup, delivery, filing your claim, the whole repair process, and any issues along the way. It's a pleasure to have the opportunity to earn your business, and we look forward to serving you and your family. Thank you.